Well, it's great to come together and to celebrate the festival of Eid, but also in this election time to be here to support my friend Luthfur Rahman in his re-election campaign to Manchester City.
A wonderful experience and a great servant to the people of Longsight and Manchester.
Thank you.
Luthfur Rahman is the best. Result 2nd May. He's already winning.
We're here to support Councillor Luthfur Rahman, Deputy Leader of Manchester. He's the best choice for Longsight and he's the best choice for all communities.
जी माशाल्लाह जो लॉन्ग साइड में अभी इलेक्शन हो रहे हैं हमारी कम्युनिटी के लिए जो भी पार्टी बेहतर है उसको कम्युनिटी हमारी वोट दे रही है अल्लाह करेगा इंशाल्लाह हमारे आने वाले मुस्तकबिल में हमारे फ्यूचर के लिए बेस्ट होगा जो भी बनेगा
Thank you.
Yeah,
Hello, how are you, my friend?
Look, we've got local elections on the 2nd of May. Please make sure you make your vote count, and from my perspective I will ask you to vote for Labour wherever you live. Longside loves all Gorton, everybody loves you. I think you're gonna we are so proud of you. You know Wajid, Lord Wajid. Everybody Lord Wajid. So always been मीडिया का वैसे ये हमारा हीरो है रहमान भाई आपको नहीं हम Assalamu alaikum. First of all, thank you Haroon bhai for organizing this amazing gathering contributions. So thank you all. Malik Saab, thank you very much for coming here. Thank you very much for your support. It really means a lot to me, and thank you to everybody that's here. I felt that the Labour government were not doing things in the interest of people in Manchester. This Labour group in Manchester, we always stood up for the...
in here, and I'll be doing that, and I'll be working hard to make sure you get re-elected. Thank you very much.
When it comes to the president, I don't think we need to, persuade anybody to vote for him.
मैं सिंस 1981 से लॉन्ग साइड में रह रहा हूँ हमारी फैमिली के जो तकरीबन मोर देन 150 घर है जो हमारी फैमिली के है यहाँ सिर्फ लॉन्ग साइड में
मुस्तकबिल हमारा जीना बनना इस कंट्री के साथ है यूके के साथ इसलिए हमें समझना चाहिए कि हम अपने यूके के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं या साहब इंशाल्लाह जो भी आप लोगों के लिए इस मुल्क के लिए आपके इलेक्शन के लिए जो कर सकते हैं इंशाल्लाह भरपूर तरीके से करेंगे
कि इसी बंदे ने हमें पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी सेंटर लेकर दिया है और ये पाकिस्तानी किसी ने नहीं हेल्प की ये ऑन द रिकॉर्ड है किसी ने लेकर दिया है और
जब आबिद का इलेक्शन होगा तो हम सपोर्ट करेंगे क्योंकि लुत्फर का हम नहीं करेंगे कि ये बंगाली है इससे काम नहीं चलेगा आप इलेक्शन लड़े आप पॉलिसी दें कि आपकी पॉलिसी क्या है आपको थोड़ा सा हमारे साथ मिलजुल के ना थोड़ा सा कि जैसे हैं आप लेकिन होता है कि ये आपके क्वेश्चन जो मैंने 4-5 सुने हैं मैं ये वाकई यही है लेकिन ये हो सकता है कि ये एक इमेजिन हो या कोई बात गलत हो किसी की दोनों तरह सुननी पड़ती है ना आप
लेकिन our support is with you and I know what you've done over the last 16-17 years. I appreciate it. I hope that you will be successful in the coming elections. You have our support.
क्योंकि लुत्फुर रहमान एक experienced, hard working और focused लॉन्ग साइड के लिए काउंसलर है इसके लिए प्लीज लेट्स अप्रिशिएट दिस
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Look, it's my great pleasure to be here this evening to show my support to Luthfur Rahman.
Very good get together and we should be getting together in communities and supporting each other.
Thank you. Wonderful gathering in an effort to support Luthfur Rahman for Longside for re-elect.
Thank you. Please support Luthfur Rahman. Thank you. I'll come back to you in a second.
So stick with Labour. Just only one thing is stick with Labour. Anybody. Only Labour.
Right.
Only Labour.
Thank you Haroon for the invitation. Vote Luthfur for Longside and vote Andrew for MP.
Come on, Andrew.
Luthfur is an incredible representative of Longsight. We need you to go out on Thursday the 2nd of May, vote Labour, vote Luthfur Rahman.
Yeah.